Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome to the session, feedback session. This is where we would like to know how has the classes been for you, any changes that you would like in the existing module. If you have any recommendations, so please let us know. Let's start one by one. If anyone wants to give any feedback, good, bad, anything that we can change, it would be really helpful. Let's start with Shalini. Shalini, can you hear us?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, can you share
Hello.
your feedback for the classes with us right now?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, this classes have actually helped me because I had no idea like how group discussion would be, like what are all the topics they're gonna talk. Because the topics which when I used to go after completing my engineering, that used to be totally different. But then here they talk about something related to textile marketing. If I, without coaching, if I would have done, then I don't think I would be having this great knowledge. Like what are all the topics which they would discuss? I had no idea. And after joining this class, I actually started learning about like general knowledge. Like sir told yesterday, I have little less knowledge in politics and politics. So I'm trying to working on that. I'm trying to work on that. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you, Shalini. All the best. If there's anything else that you cannot say in this, group discussion, you can anyways text me personally, Gaurav personally, or anyone else. I'm very happy that you are benefiting from this. Thank you, Shalini. Next is Arijit. Arijit, can you share your feedback with us?
Yes, ma'am. So these classes have really helped me a lot, like coming from a non-designing or a such type of a background and going opting for the MDes course. So I was really confused at the first stage, but after connecting to Krishna sir and knowing about this online classes, and after joining this, it really helped me a lot. I have come through many new things, knowing about many designing skills or knowing about uh, the actual study of how to study the things, what actually the course of MDes is. Then the expert sessions have really helped me a lot, and the GD especially, the GDF helped, the GD sessions which we have done, it has really helped me to gather confidence and to speak, because at before I used to get confused, or I used to get shy to speak, but now I'm trying and I'm getting gathering confidence to speak in group in front of everyone. So yes, it helps me a lot.
Thank you, Arijit. We wish you
Thank you,
all the
ma'am.
best for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Sapna. Sapna, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you share your feedback with us, please, of the classes?
Yes, ma'am. These classes are really helping me. Before these classes, I have no idea about GD and PI because I have no work experience. Also, these classes really helped me in gaining confidence. I couldn't speak English properly, but after joining these classes, I'm slowly gaining confidence in speaking English. So
Okay.
that's it, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Sapna. Next is Shreya. Shreya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think this class in a very technology way. During this pandemic, we are getting this opportunity. We are with this, and the different modules that we had is very helpful. Like getting the on-spot topics, and we are like discussing on the spot, and we are getting the GDs. The live experience, that is the main thing, that even if we go into the NIFT GD, we will have the confidence that we have practiced, so it will be not going on the spot and speaking. It's like we are practicing it from so long, so it will be a very useful for us at that time. And we also are getting the practical knowledge, like how the GD is and how we can go into talk in between people, and we building the confidence. So yes, it's improving, it's very important for us, and it's very helpful us for us, ma'am.
Thank you, Shreya. All the best for your future. Next is Manish. Manish, would you like to share your experience of the classes with us?
हेलो मैम.
Hello.
हेलो हेलो आवाज आ रही है मैम?
Yes, आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
Ma'am, this class is helped me, and the Krishna sir, especially Krishna sir, is a very knowledgeable man, and he has a clear all about मतलब कि he has cleared my all confusion about MBA and MFM course, but I am not but I am work on hard still, but I am not well good in English, ma'am, but I am trying because Krishna sir and Gaurav sir is always forced to me कि you are trying in English because GD basically English top मतलब कि GD आपको इंग्लिश में ही देना होगा, तो आई एम ट्राइंग.
Good.
एंड कृष्णा सर ऑलवेज कृष्णा सर ऑलवेज मैंने उनसे बात करी है, इज ए वेरी नॉलेजेबल मैन. मैंने उनसे बात करके और आज भी मुझे लगा क्योंकि एमबीए और एमएफएम में मैंने बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो रखा था, बट आज क्लियर हुआ. थोड़ा सा और होना है, बस हो जाएगा.
जी, थैंक यू मनीष. वी आर हैप्पी कि दिस इज बेनिफिटिंग यू और आप इससे सीख रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल द बेस्ट.
ओके मैम.
Next is Nikita. Nikita, can you start your experience, please?
Yes, ma'am. Before joining class, I was not having much also confidence, and now I'm gaining little bit of confidence at least. And because of classes, I started reading articles, and it has helped me in a lot. Even if in discussion I don't speak also, but I listen to what all this is. From that, I think I'm learning, and good. I'm improving, not fast, but slowly I'm improving. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Nikita. Next is Sanchita. Sanchita, can you share your experience?
Ma'am, it's been really good. I've been looking upon the current trends and current issues going on because of this, and I really like Naveen sir's feedbacks and points as well. They're very on point. So yeah, so far it's been great, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Sanchita. All the best. Next is Mayank. Mayank, can you share your feedback with us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it has been a very good time with all the class teachers here. In this time of pandemic, it has helped me a lot. I have given many GDs and personal interviews, but now I got to know that where I was lacking in and what my problems were. So I'm getting what problems were. Thank you, ma'am. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Mayank. Avinash, can you share your experience now, please?
Yeah, ma'am. For me, like it's everything is fine, ma'am. Like always, as usual, Naveen sir and Akhilesh sir, they're helping me from last 6 to 8 months from GCAT exam. I've been getting good support from starting of last year, September. Like everything is fine, ma'am. Really, like everything is good, going good. I'm learning good knowledge over here.
Okay, thank you,
That's
Avinash.
it. Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Nisha. Nisha?
Yes, ma'am.
You gave your feedback?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
These
Okay, so
classes
almost
really
you gave your feedback or you need to give?
I was giving actually. I'm not done.
You are not done, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, please share your feedback.
Yes, ma'am. These classes are really helping me a lot, and I'm I'm seeing myself that I am gaining a little confidence. And actually, I'm very shy with my nature, but slowly I'm getting rid of all these, and also due to my personal problem, I'm not practicing it much, but slowly I'm doing my best.
Okay. Thank you, Nisha. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much who's here and has given the feedback. We really appreciate all of you for being here and attending the classes with us. All the best for your future. And in the while, if you have any doubts, please feel free to reach out to any one of us, be it Gaurav sir, Krishna sir, Akhilesh sir, Naveen sir, or me. We are here to help you all only. And for anything else, just feel free, don't be shy, communicate with us so that we all can grow together. Thank you everyone for being in this feedback session for Ignite India Education classes. See you in the next class. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
मैम
Yes, Manish.
मैम मतलब कि मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर मैं जीडी में बैठा हूँ, okay, if I sit in GD class and I have no but I don't have any idea for that topic, so that time what I do?
मनीष, आपने ये पिछले वाले फीडबैक क्लास में पूछा क्यों नहीं सवाल?
सॉरी मैम,
भूल गया। अच्छा, तो ऐसा तो होना नहीं चाहिए कि आपको पहले चीज की किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में कोई नॉलेज ही नहीं है। दिस इज द टाइम जहाँ पे इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, न्यूज चैनल से आपको सारी टाइप की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है। तो जितने भी लेटेस्ट टॉपिक हो गए, जैसे हुआ कोरोना वायरस, सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ फैशन, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स, न्यू थिंग्स कमिंग अप, टेक्नोलॉजी, डिजाइन में क्या चेंज हो रहा है, निफ्ट में क्या चेंज हो रहा है, आप किस कोर्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, इन सब चीजों के बारे में तो पता ही होना चाहिए। और यही सारी चीजें आएंगी, ऐसे कुछ नहीं आएगा कि वो आपसे पूछेंगे 1980 में किसने ये चीज बनाई थी। सो प्लीज ये सारी टेंशन छोड़ दो, जितना तुम्हारे पास अभी टाइम है उसको यूटिलाइज करो, और जितना हो सके उतना ज्यादा रिसर्च, नॉलेज, अच्छे अच्छे चैनल्स पे मूवीज देखो, यू नो, ऑफ डिजाइन, एजुकेशन, टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड यू नो अपलिफ्ट योरसेल्फ। खुद को नॉलेज से भर लो, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा टाइम है तुम्हारे पास टू प्रिपेयर। 1 महीना है, 1 महीने बाद मैं फिर से तुमसे ये सवाल पूछूंगी और तुम मुझे खुद बताना कि यू हैव लर्न समथिंग और नॉट। So there are topics, I'm sure Akhilesh sir और Naveen sir तुम्हें देंगे जो से you know you need to study about them, so don't worry. Okay?
Okay.
और बाय चांस जीडी में ऐसा हुआ कि you know some topic और जिसके बारे में तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है, तुम्हारे आगे 4 लोग, पीछे 4 लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो बोलेंगे, you can compile them and say it in your own words together. ठीक है?
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Thank you Manish. Thank you everyone who has been here. See you in the next class. Gaurav, can I end the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.